Hello everybody and welcome to this very first HTML tutorial. My name is George, and what we're going to do today is that we're going to do a brief introduction and create our very first HTML document. So you basically need two things. You need a web browser, any one you like. For example, I'm going to use Google Chrome, and you also need any text editor. For example, you can use Notepad, you can use Notepad++ or Sublime Text, anyone you like. So let's just start. I'm going to open Sublime Text and I'm going to create a file over here. So I'm going to click File. I'm going to say Save As, and I have a folder over here named Programs and HTML. So I'm going to save my HTML file over here, and the way to do that, you need to name your file. I'm going to name it index, and then the extension of the file have to be HTML. So be careful not to save this as a text file when you're using, for example, Notepad on Windows or something like that. Just save it as an HTML file. So click on Save, and right now this is our very first HTML document, and you can really open it with a web browser. For example, I'm going to go to the place I saved this file over here and just double click it, and I will open it with Chrome. Alright, just like that. And this program basically doesn't do anything. In fact, HTML isn't really a programming language. It is more like a markup text language. And what does that mean? That means that what we're going to code in here are like a lot of tags that will define some characteristics for the text in our website. So it's really a very simple programming or coding or whatever you wanna call it. But let's just write, for example, follow me and write exactly what I'm typing. For example, doc type, and then write HTML, and this tag over here, this says this is telling the web browser that this document is an HTML5 document. So the web browser will read it with the properties and all the characteristics and features of HTML files. So the first thing we're going to write, just write HTML. This is called a tag, by the way, and all tags need to be closed with these characters, just like that. So you write this code, and this is basically specifying that this is going to be an HTML document, and inside these tags we can write another tags. So tags are basically the core of the HTML programming language, and what we're going to do is a basic website that will have a header and, well, not a header really. We have a head tags and a body tag, and we're going to write some title and some content on it. So go ahead and write exactly what I'm typing, and here go ahead and write title and say my website. So this is going to be the title of your website, and we're going to see that just in a minute. And here in the body tag, go ahead and type this. Type h1, then close the tag and say this is my first title, and over here let's write a paragraph. So the paragraph you can write with the p tag, and just do this and write over here I don't know, Lorem Ipsum. It's just some content. It isn't. It doesn't matter really. So go ahead and save this document, and go to your index file in your web browser and reload this page. And what the hell is going on here? No, this isn't my file. Okay, guys, ignore that, and I'm just going to close this. So as I was saying, just go to your index file, and you can open it again, and you will see this. So look, it says right here in the top, it says my website, and then down here it says this is my first title, and then lorem ipsum. And what is really happening here? So this HTML document, it has a title, and we specified a title called my website, and this title is print over here in the top side of this, or in the top of the website, in the web browser. So and down here you see that these letters are all in they are bigger than normal content, and that is why we use a header tag. Header tags are normally an H tag. They can be H1, H2, H3, and H4, and those are like titles, and depending on the number you put over here, it will mean like the importance of that title, and they will change in size. So look at this. Now this text is smaller, and we can use another tag, the H2 tag, and save the file and reload this web page, and it will change. And those are some properties that tags can do, because tags specify what kind of content you're writing. So that's what HTML is all about. And right here, this is a paragraph. So as you can see, this is just normal text, and there is really nothing of much importance in it. So it doesn't matter if you really do not understand all of this content yet, but don't worry, this is very simple. This is just the normal way of writing HTML code. You always start with the document type, and then write HTML tags, and then they are followed by a head tag and a body tag, and most of the HTML code is over here in the body tag. You don't have to use the head tag if you don't want to. This basically what does is that the web browser would read the head tag first, and then it will read the body tag. So it's really like an sort of order that right now is not very important, but it will be important in the future. However, just do this, and this will be like your very first document in HTML. So guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. You can find the code on my website. I will leave it over here, and hope you like this video. Subscribe if you want some more, and comment if you like. So thanks for watching, and see you later. Bye bye.